Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for Gym. Advertise your business cost-effectively. Step up your marketing and attract more members to your business. Protect your PPC ads from lurking click frauds on the internet devaluing your ads. Protect yourself, your business, and grow your revenue. Protect your ads from petty competitors. Without ClickCease, 15% of your Google ad budget is probably being wasted due to competitor clicks. Monitor your clicks. ClickCease will monitor your PPC clicks with advanced machine learning algorithms. Separate real potential customers from fraudsters and bots that want to deplete your budget. Auto-block them. We tell AdWords not to show your ads to fraudulent sources, saving you time and a lot of money. Uncover the details of each click on your ads. Geography, timing, IP, and loads more. Block and unblock IP with a click of a button. Watch a screen recording of your visitors' behavior on your landing page. See how their mouse moved, scrolled, and clicked. This behavior is part of the detection algorithm. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.